first days of what we up here call SpringWinter has arrived, and after a long winter, everybody comes crawling out of their homes to soak up as many sun rays as they can. If you're not used to having very limited daylight from November to March, it might be difficult to understand how much it is possible to crave the sunlight on your skin. When those days finally come, it is like heaven.
Curse for this town, we're all in my mouth. Only I don't know how they got out here.
This day is just magic.
I was when we met. I was happier than with no mind.
Many of the people that live here consider this to be the best season of all, as we still get most of the winter fun but with way longer and warmer days. On this particular day, I thought I would snowboard down a line I've never tried before, but wow, I underestimated how steep it would be. So instead of a cool drone video of me riding down at full speed, here's me being a chicken and just trying to get past the steepest part.
The dirt in your fries, hope it's right when you die. Old and bony, dawn breaks like a bolt through the hall. Never should have called, but my head's to the wall and I'm lonely. And if you turn to me like a girl takes to the wind, well, I'd have jumped from my...
If I feel like I don't want to hike up a whole mountain to get to snowboard, the ski resort here in Åre is still open until the beginning of May. It's not the same as earning your turns, but I really like it for the times when I don't have a whole day to spare. It is so warm today. I couldn't even stand to wear my snowboarding clothes. But wow, this is so incredible.
Godspeed, all the beggars at dawn, and they all cut their thumbs and bleed into their buns till they melt.
While skiing downhill is the biggest part of why people come here this season, there are a lot of easier and slower ways to enjoy this special time too. Backcountry skiing is a really nice way to get some exercise, and Nordic skiing is perfect for slow hikes. The difference is the width between the two, and it's basically like comparing running to hiking. I love taking my Nordic skis out for some fika in the sun, but my snowshoes worked fine as well. So as the midnight sun is coming for us soon, we don't have that much time left to see any northern lights, but tonight there's gonna be a big hit, so I'm gonna go out and check it out. Åh herregud! Åh herregud! Oh my god! This is incredible! Wow! I am so sorry I can't show this to you on camera. It's just not good enough, but I'm gonna take some photos, so I'll show those to you instead. Wow. Wow. The night after, me and Olof hiked out to a beautiful lookout point by the tree line on a mountain to spend the night under the stars. The sunset and the mountain view was beautiful. We had brought so much food, beer and snacks that the whole thing felt super luxurious.
This house is holding secrets. Got my change behind the bed, and a coffee can. Throw my nickels in, just in case I have to leave. And I will go if you ask me to. I will stay if you dare. If I go, I'm gonna shameless. Let my heart take me there. This house is quiet, the talker. She creaks and moans. She keeps me up. And the photographs know I'm a liar, and they just laugh as I burn her down. And I will go if you ask me to. I will stay if you dare. And if I go, I'm going on fire. Let my anger take me there. The shingles, man, is shaking. Back doors burning through. This old house, she's quite the keeper. Quite the keeper.